Vitralogy and OCS, boiler maintenance with SMS alerts. As any building manager is quite aware, regular boiler maintenance can be a difficult and costly situation, a real pain in the heater. Protecting expensive equipment, creating the necessary paperwork, and saving money on energy costs loom large in any maintenance program. Now there's a simple, cost-effective, and weekly SMS program that saves time and thousands of dollars in wasted energy costs and expensive equipment repairs and replacement. Guaranteed! Easily ensure that your super is performing required money-saving boiler maintenance tasks. OCS has the answer to these complex and worrisome problems by providing a complete tracking system for your boiler maintenance with SMS alerts. A tiny 1/16 of an inch scale buildup in your boilers makes them less efficient and equals thousands of dollars in wasted energy costs every single year. Not to mention, that buildup is also slowly killing your expensive equipment. Our simple weekly maintenance program greatly increases the longevity of your boiler equipment and is guaranteed to save your organization thousands of dollars. And managers can easily see the maintenance being performed at the portfolio level with a detailed monthly report. It's verification of preventive boiler maintenance made easy. Reduce your energy costs, vastly increase the life of your boiler equipment, receive the necessary monthly reports, and save thousands of dollars each year. Guaranteed. It's a no-brainer. Contact OCS for more information on the SMS alerts to streamline your boiler maintenance. You'll be glad you did.